Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through the super handy Notion template designed to simplify your business management. Whether juggling tasks, tracking finance, or setting goals, this template has got you covered. So let's jump right in. First up, we got the quick links toggle. Yeah, that's right here. You see, and this feature gives you an instant access to the most essential pages of this template, and it's a real-time server. So it let you navigate your template just in one click. So yeah, it's a real time. Okay, after that, next we are going to explore the three main columns: dashboards column, productivity column, and finance view column. First off, dashboards. This is where your key informations come together, and inside that dashboards column there is dashboard page. Inside the dashboard, you'll find several sections to keep everything organized. The task manager section for you to do, account section to manage account sections for track your finance accounts, income and expense section to monitor cash flows. Yeah, income and expense, and then directory sections for monitoring for your contacts, pin and there is a quick link section for specific pages. My day page. My day page helps you focus on today's priority. It includes sections for upcoming tasks and money management, and also a quick view to the accounts. After that, there is a quick capture page. Yeah, quick capture page. Okay, imagine you got an idea or a quick note, and the quick capture page is perfect for that. It's a feature with the task inbox pay inbox section and money inbox section. Task inbox for you are adding your ideas about something that related to your task projects, and then you can arrange it later. Just like that, money inbox. You can arrange your any ideas to improve your financial or anything. You can add it here, then rearrange it later. And after that, we have the in and out section, out page. Sorry, which keep track of your money flow with sections with the income received and expenses. You can see all the income you received from here and the expense you got here. So after that, you have the progress page. This and it let you track your task progress and keep you update on your achievements. First intake task and do next, and there is next for the month and neglected task. Yeah. Okay, we have finished the dashboard page, dashboard column, and now we are going to go through the productivity view column. Inside the productivity column there is task manager page. So let's go and see. Task manager page is where you can handle all your tasks, including with views like time-based view. These are time-based view and process-based view and special view for completed tasks. And also there is a this month section for in a calendar view to find the deadlines and something in just like clients. And after that, we have the goal hub help you stay on track with your business objectives. You will find sections for goals by income and the last 10 milestones here. And after that, there is archived page. This is a handy way to keep your workspace uncluttered while staying access to the past works. You can see all the past works here, which is archived. You are added to the You check mark the the things you marked as achieved. You can all see here and review it later. Okay. Last but not least, we have the financial view column. It's your go-to financial management section. Inside the financial view column, there is income and expense page. On the income and expense page, you can view recent income and expenses along with the comprehensive view of all your financial transactions. After that, the account page. Account page keep track of your various financial accounts. It includes recent view and all view. And after that, we have the report page. Just like accounts page, it's also arranged in um, recent view and all view. It generates inside full summaries of your financial reports and all. And after that, we have the vendor and client directory to manage your relationship with the recent view of your current or current clients or vendor. You can see it here, and that's it. The Notion template is designed to keep your business operations smooth and organized. From daily tasks to financial management and goals tracking, it's a all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and check out for the template link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.